we have over 30 brands of yachts alone.
It's absolutely beautiful. The energy is phenomenal.
They have a great sales and service operation.
Welcome all viewers of Alkas Channel to the third edition of the Cancun International Boat Show.
Cancún es un lugar ya muy reconocido, sus playas, su Ribera Maya, que ahora ya es muy famoso, muchos cenotes. Entonces es un centro turístico ya muy bueno. Muchos extranjeros ya vienen hasta comprar parte de aquí de Cancún porque es un lugar maravilloso para vivir.
In my opinion, number one, the waters. The clear blue waters, transparent waters of the Caribbean. On the Mexican Caribbean right here on Cancun are spectacular boating waters for many people. The boat show started because of a clear and obvious necessity to organize the Mexican market in recreation marine. We saw this necessity and we invited everybody to come in together. We did our first show. It was a small show, obviously. We're in our third edition now and it's looking very nice.
Mexico has continued to become a stronger and stronger market for us. And we want to continue to grow this market, and getting behind the Cancun Boat Show is something we feel very strong about. We have always designed and built a boat that is very practical, good looking, but also practical. So this is a brand new model, came out last year. We're debuting this boat here at the Cancun Boat Show. The new features of this boat: larger windows, real open floor plan, so when you walk in the salon doors you see all the way to the forward part of the boat. Every area kind of flows together, so it's one big area for entertainment. 4 bedrooms, and we have 2 crew cabin berths as well. You can put 8 guests on board plus 2 crew. Princess Yachts is a production boat, so customization is somewhat limited. We do soft goods, some changes in the actual layout, but we try to keep them minimal because we are a production boat builder. Your average price is going to be around $5 million.
In the first year, our focus was to do the show, to make it possible. We had to make it. We had to have all the elements. We had to have, obviously, the boats, the engines, the electronics, the accessories. And we had a little bit of each. The second year, everybody that was on the fence, waiting to see what was done the first year, came on board. The show grew by 4 times on the second year. Boating meets luxury, that is our new slogan for the third edition, because a good section of our show is people that are affluent, that like finer things in life.
I'm here visit the many places to enjoy in the mall, and I see the International Boat Show, and I don't know, I just try only to see boats and products. I have a little boat in Puerto Vallarta and take my attention to see everything.
¿Por qué estamos en el Boat Show? Porque queríamos mostrarle a toda la gente los productos que tenemos y que vengan y conozcan, o los que ya conozcan, vengan y vean los nuevos productos. Actualmente estamos introduciendo al mercado la Sea-Doo Switch, que es un bote tipo pontón con un motor de una Sea-Doo y el sistema de propulsión de una Sea-Doo. Que se puede utilizar todo el bote. El bote es completamente plano y nosotros podemos quitar todas las bancas y todos los camastros, es decir, toda la parte interna o todo lo que se puede usar se puede intercambiar. Entonces de ahí viene el nombre de switch. Podemos switchear todas las bancas. Tenemos la ventaja de que se puede manejar como una moto de agua. Entonces es demasiado fácil para una persona que nunca ha tenido una embarcación o que nunca ha manejado una embarcación. El precio va desde el 1.100.000 pesos, y esto incluye el remolque también, como te comentaba. Ese es el precio de entrada de la Sea-Doo Switch.
Cancun is a wonderful destination. The reason it's here, it exists today, because it was made 100% for tourism. This used to be a very tiny fishing village back before in the 1960s. In 1970, they wanted to make a city here. Officially, it's a very good sized city today with many attractions.
Cancun is the best city in the world, also in Mexico. I invite everyone who hasn't come to Cancun to visit us. I mean, it's just starting, so it's Friday. We hope everyone after the work they will come, and we'll have a lot of people here. This is the Flyer 38 HT. It's a day boat that it's really nice for family and friends to enjoy the day out in the sea. It has a 38 length. It's with two Mercruiser 350 axes. The 38 Flyer has a capacity of 15 people. We have a beach club. It's an electric opening in the boat. Also, we have a hard top that it's electrical, and it opens and gives a lot of amplitude of the boat. The 38 Flyer starts from $380,000 with inboard engines. And with outboard engines from $4,050 with Verado Mercury.
Our main product, as you see, is the underwater lights. That's how we grow, and it's our more strong product. After that, we keep developing to do more products like courtesy lights, down lights, strip lights, and I mean some accessories for the fenders that you can use it. The technology we use is, we try to give the client the best and easy way to install the light. We have the lights in 12 or 24 volts. We try to give the best brightness we can do so the client can enjoy it. We're a Mexican brand, so we want to be here obviously in Mexico to represent 3H, to let us that we are here to bring the client the best quality product, and we're here.
They're coming here because it's a central place, easy to go to. It's Cancun, baby! So it's a great place to do it.
Bienvenue Alkas Channel au Cancun Boat Show.
Alkas Channel, Boston Whaler welcomes you to the Cancun Boat Show.
Bienvenidos a Cancun International Boat Show 2023.
It's a peninsula de Yucatan, so we're in Quintana Roo, actually it's a state, but I mean the peninsula of Yucatan has a lot of story. You can learn a lot about anything you want in history of the Mayans, and we have a lot of stuff here in Cancun.
La région ici, c'est sur le Caraïbe avec des eaux incroyables, la mer avec une température exceptionnelle toute l'année et puis plein de choses à faire. Il y a les cenotes, c'est vraiment le site touristique des 365 jours de l'année.
I like it because I like to see the yachts and I like to see the people here and it's beautiful.
I think it's a really good show. That's why for us, it's the second year straight coming.
Okay, what do you like here?
Everything. Show, people, food, the place is a very nice place.
Je crois que c'est pour le moment l'unique boat show qu'il y a au Mexique et je crois que c'est une très bonne organisation et vraiment toute l'industrie fait vraiment de son fort pour être là et pour donner une bonne représentation. Ce bateau, c'est le deuxième de la gamme du bas vers le haut et c'est le plus vendu au monde, le Lagoon 42. C'est des bateaux très spacieux. Il y a deux versions. La version Owners qui a une grande cabine comme celui-là d'un côté et deux cabines de l'autre, ou il peut être de 4 cabines avec 4 salles de bain. Le prix moyen, je crois que le prix bas c'est vers 500 000 €. Et puis un très bien équipé, ça doit coûter vers 750 000 €.
It's been 3 years in a row since we started doing this at the Cancun Boat Show. Every year is better. Every year we get more customers, we get more people interested in our boats. It's a good opportunity. It's the only boat show right now in Mexico, so it's a good time to be able to show the boats here. So it's a multi-purpose boat. You know, you can take it out fishing. It's got everything you need. You could also have a lot of storage for when you do take it recreational. You got a lot of storage, and you have a nice cabin that will sleep 3 to 4 people, depending, very comfortably if you need to. This is our flagship boat. It's our largest boat that we make right now. It's 42 feet. You can have it with triple engine configurations, quad engine configurations, depending on all your needs. So retail, depending on how you want to customize it, right? You could have one for between 1.3 million to 1.7 million. So you could $500,000 with a customization, very easy on it.
We hope this one will be the best show in Latin America, so it's a beautiful one. You can see another brands, but Yacht Direct and Pardo have something for you. This one is a Sea Ray 320 and This one especially, it's a beautiful one. It's a 2021 with 2 Mercruiser, 300 Mercury. This is a beautiful one. You have so many spaces from the beam. You have a 2.5, like 3 meters from the beam. So this one uses gas. It's a little cheaper than the diesel. They have a 1+1. It means like a main cabin and a second cabin, but it's together, and they have the head. It's a complete head. You have the shower and the bathroom. This one is special. It's like a $340,000 and immediate delivery, but a new one is like a $500,000, like a $500,000.
This Syria company has a lot of years in the industry. This model is an L59. It has a big beam for a 59-footer, 60 foot. It's a super big beam. In the back, you have an independent area. You can open the doors and you can have both areas in one. It has a crew cabin, a super nice crew cabin, so it fits 2. This boat costs $1.2 million US dollars. 1.2 is the asking price.
El orden que tiene, todo está muy bien ordenado y los expositores, sí, hay muy buenos expositores.
We build parks where 20, 40, 60, 200 people can have fun in a community that you can jump, escalate, slide, or do whatever you want in an area that is already planned for camps, hotels, beach resorts, so we work where the water is. So this is a very brand new item. It's called OG Lounge, where you can sit 8 people, you can have 6 drinks, you can be outside your yacht, or you can be like here in a sea, whatever you want to mount it, you just anchor it, and then you want to enjoy. This is made out of PVC Detex. It's a very special PVC made for this with all these security joints, and you inflate it with a hand pump or with an electric pump, and then you can be at the sea doing things that you normally don't do.
The main focus, original focus of the industry, of the boat show, is to invite people to grow the industry.
Bienvenidos a Alkas Channel.
Welcome to the 2023 Cancun International Boat Show.
Welcome to the Cancun Boat Show 2023.
The highlights include a Princess 65 2024 model. We have new boats this year. And what I like about this year is we have actually a lot more factory representations. It's not just our local dealers and brokers. No, we have a much more international presence. And we are slowly but surely becoming the show for Latin America. That is my focus for 2024.
es un boat show que viene gente de varias partes del interior de la República y ellos vienen a conseguir barcos. Deslora tiene 60 pies, manga tiene 5 metros, cala 3 pies de profundidad. Navegarlo es tiene mucha estabilidad, es muy bueno, sin ningún problema. Esto es un barco muy bueno, excelente. Esta embarcación se está vendiendo para renovar, para que se vende esta embarcación y el dueño se compra otro Prestige un poquito más grande. El precio es de 1.100.000. Sí.
Estamos en un barco, un Absolute 55 pies, muy compacto. Tenemos el asoleadero. En un viaje de paseo podemos llevar 12 personas a bordo, más 3 de tripulación, y también hacemos viajes, Cuba, Miami, a donde guste ahora sí que el cliente lo podemos visitar. El barco contiene 3 habitaciones de tripulación, invitados y el máster, y todos los cuartos tienen baños. La verdad desconozco el precio, la verdad, pero creo que si lo venden es para comprarse uno mejor.
Well, if you want to visit here, there are some points you don't have to miss. You're speaking about the Mexican Caribbean, so Cancun is only a part of it, but there are many, many places that all rely on the Mayan culture.
The Mayans were very good navigators, and I'm always impressed about that. And I believe it has to do with the current and everything. They didn't invent the wheel, but they had canoes, and they traveled long distances in the canoes.
This is my personal boat since 1991. ProStar 190. It has an import engine with a direct shaft drive. It's exactly built just for ski tournaments. This boat runs between 35 to 40 miles per hour. So the reason is just with one pilot and a co-pilot on the tournament, it creates the perfect wave to cruising in the slalom course that a professional skier needs. My main job here to be in the boat show is make presence with my personal boat, just to try to translate my feeling to the people and the people that is interested in the market, and also with the brand, what I have in my blood running on, and then just to try to get involved more people on the brand on board for Latin America.
I'd like to show you our 42 Lujo today. Okay, so what this boat's good about is it has all the solid fishing features that you want in a boat. Okay, but we also bring luxury and customizations to it. This boat has rainfall showers in it, dual rainfall showers in it. It's got a transom couch in the boat with a bait well underneath it. So it's a very luxuriously upgraded fishing boat. A lot of people are fishing with it. They can do all the hardcore fishing they want. But in addition to that, they can spend the afternoon in comfort and luxury, sandbar, going out to dinner. It's a very nice boat for both fishing and cruising. To buy a boat from the factory, it's usually about 6 to 9 months out. Okay, our dealers usually have some inventory, like this boat is available today.
This is the Aquila 36. It's one of the best-selling models. It's not the smallest, a lot of space outside. You can comfortably sit and feed 20 people. It's the smallest with two cabin in each side, so it's the most family-friendly, I could say. If you compare this boat to a monohull, you will get the same space as a much bigger boat. So you can get a 36 and save a lot of length. It's compared to a 41 feet monohull. So you're gonna be more comfortable. So spending time with friends, it's gonna feel better, you know, have more space wide, enjoy the time outside. The clients that usually come to check out this boat are looking for that.
El Boat Show es una increíble exposición para todas las marcas, el poder crear sinergia y sobre todo la correlación que tenemos entre empresas y compradores.